Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. You know how you sometimes make a project, you create something in Canva, but sometimes you feel like it's missing something. That's because you haven't tried fonts. Fonts really unlock a whole new level of creating something, obviously, because you change the font. You can add text, but if you don't change the font, it will just remain the current one, the default one. So imagine you find a perfect font and suddenly your project goes from big or mediocre or normal to something more different or more wow, because you changed the font and it's something more customized that's aligning with your design idea, with your design kind of vibe, or what you're going for, you know. So let's jump right into this video and let me show you what you have to do. Here we are in canva.com. Great website, and let's go actually to create a design, and I'm gonna use it to create actually a YouTube thumbnail. But you can add, maybe you want to change the resolution, you can add too. You can maybe resize it to, or click on custom size, and here enter exact resolution. Here you have some defaults as well, maybe square, portrait, or landscape. I'm just gonna use you can also create multiple, as you can see, and continue. But now what we want, we can use a great shortcut I've used, and I've was quite happy when I learned it. Is your control plus. So we can add very fast text in Canva. Just press T on your keyboard, and then we can add text from here. Now, as you can highlight, hello, welcome, and now on select, and I'll select again, and we can resize. Now, how do we change the text, the font? So, well, we can see here we have Canva Sans. So this is the font, the default one, documents font, and we see this is the one because we have this check mark. And now we have so many fonts here available for us to use. There's so many we can choose from. And now, as I said, maybe you want, this is design for a YouTube channel, and you want something bold. So you can write here in the search bar bold, and you have a couple of suggestions: bold, thick, heavy. You have some suggestions, and you want also some actually bold fonts that you can choose from available for you. And if you see this icon here, that means that you cannot use it if you are not a Canva Pro. If you actually get a Canva Pro subscription, then you can use it. I'm a Canva Pro user, as you can see. You can use this font for free. I just can click on this, and this will change the font, as you can see, or this one, or this one, or this one, and they're so nice. Also, you have heavy font, and now it's really bold, but look, this one looks really nice. If you want something bold to really push your message, as you can see here, new update. Maybe you will create a tutorial about iPhone, and you can now head over to Elements and grab an iPhone frame, and here, and then you screenshot actually the new update from your phone, and you add it behind this frame, because now you can write actually frame here, iPhone frame. Now you have so many frames available. That's what I like about, Photoshop is great. I'm not sponsored by Canva, what I'm saying right now, but I'm just saying I really like this, because in Photoshop, while I'm working, and I'm good with Photoshop, like really good. I've been working in Photoshop for a very long time. You have to drag and drop to look for materials, to look for images, to look for photos, to look for everything you need. But for like this, you have all the design, photos, everything you need. And now I can grab here image. Let's say I'm going to look for iPhone image, or something that I can add behind. Let's say this one here, and now I'm going to use control and square bracket to send behind. And now I'm also going to crop this, as you can see, like this. Now I have here an image, but I have a different frame, you see. You can also edit this picture if you want to crop it. Maybe you want to crop it like this, or freeform, rotate, or expand. You can even expand the image. But now back to our text. Here we also have effects, so you can add some effects to your font. Maybe you want to add a different look. You also have your animation here. You have in font, you have outline, hollow, none, shadow, lift, and what have you have this nice glitch. And here back to our phone, here you also have text styles, so you can change here. And also maybe you have a brand kit, and brand kit means you can click on here to edit. So brand kit, let's say you have a business and you like to keep your all your favorite colors, fonts, and maybe even a logo for your business separated, so you don't have to look for your logo for your favorite font, for your favorite color every single time. So this will help you to keep all those things in one place in Canva. So whenever you need to use your brand kit again, you can grab it from this panel from here. You also can see here, you can look for brand, sorry, here, and here you can add your brand voice, fonts, colors, logos. So that's why I mentioned this, because you can add your font here. Maybe I'm using a lot this font, you can actually edit this for caption, for actually you can add a specific font for your title, for your subtitle, for a heading, for subheading, for section header, for body, for a quote. So that's great, really great that you have a lot of customization. So let's say for the title, choose, usually I need something that's a large title for a font for the title. Choose a font and title. Something should be the title here, not subtitle, the title, and a title that's kind of bold or thick. Let's try thick. So something like that looks nice. You can also add a specific define this, or add a title to this, so you know for what you're gonna use this. I can say YouTube title, or for YouTube thumbnail, something like that. Subtitle, what I'm gonna use for subtitle is something more less thick, not that thick, something more kind of like this. And now for this one as well, for the heading, for this one I'm gonna use something that I know, one that I used a lot, this one, and then you add for each. You can also add some for a caption. And now how to use the right way your font size and weight. So font size and weight are like spotlights in your design. Use the biggest and boldest font for the most important info, like the guest of honor's name on an invitation. Smaller fonts with less weight can highlight details like the date or something else, so making your design clear and guiding your viewers' eyes to the key stuff first. So that's what we need to master here. Something that if you want to remember, also of course it's important to remember how to change your font, but also please remember that you are trying here to guide your viewers. So first, when you create your font, think to yourself, what's the hierarchy here, what's the most important thing that viewers have to see first, and the second thing, and the third thing. That's what I use, and that's my train of thought when I'm creating a design, and that's what I'm trying to work on. I don't think is the best. You have to practice, you have to train this, it takes time, but that's how you place your text right spot. Learn how to create nice designs by changing your font based on your design, based on what you're trying to convey and what's important, if it's important, if you want to add some details, if you want to make your text bold or not, so you can tell something, if you maybe want just some details. That's really important to use the right font. And it's nice because otherwise in Photoshop you have to install all the fonts. You also have their fonts but not the programs, but here you have a bunch of font available for you. Look, in this it's very nice for a letter, but for this one we don't need and this is very nice. We just have to expand this and also change here distance. And let's resize. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.